What's up, y'all? It's the kid. You might remember me from my previous channel, Jada Kid. I think this was called, yeah, Jada Kid without the 34. But yeah, this is my new main channel. It's gonna be about sports and like shoes that I get. I'm gonna try to be like more with it, like upload more now that I can. But like I'm not I'm not gonna be buying shoes like Kick Genius on night whenever I am 50. I do not have buku money. Like, I'm gonna try to get y'all game clips and like if I play the game on the PS4, some of that, like 2K and stuff like that. But yeah, shout out right quick to Kick Genius. Motivation right there. Kel, hit him up. Y'all go follow him if y'all wanna die laughing on 2K. Um, Chris Move for sure. Go follow Chris Move. Nightwing, Mr. Foreman Simpson. That's some good people. But yeah, go follow Jay Jones too. He part of Kick Genius and Trey. They got separate YouTube channels. It's on their main channel, Kick Genius. Yeah, go follow them. Well, subscribe. I mean, I'm saying follow, like, and subscribe. But they do have an Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at Kid, no, King Kid underscore 30, 34. So you can go follow me on there. And try to be more consistent with these uploads. It's late at night. Yeah, got a game on Monday. I'm trying to get y'all some footage. But until then, it's Kid Blaze.